Good morning students. So students, today we are going to discuss lesson number 22 of geography, water and its movement, and the topic about this ocean circulation. So ocean circulation is mainly of three types: waves, tides and currents. So let's discuss firstly about the waves. So students, what are waves? The rise and fall of the ocean water on the surface of the ocean is called a wave, and it is divided into four: crest, trough, wavelength and wave height. If you look at this diagram, you'll see here this one is crest. It means the highest point or peak of a wave is called crest. And look at this one, trough, where trough is written. It means this is the lowest point, and it looks like a valley shape. It is called a valley of a wave. It is called trough. And look at here the wavelength. It means the horizontal distance between two crests. The horizontal distance between two crests is known as wave length. And next is your wave height. It means that the vertical distance between the crest and the trough. Okay, the vertical distance between the crest and the trough is called wave height, and the horizontal distance between two crests is called wave length. Next one is your tides. So students, what do you mean by tides? Tides means the rise and fall of the water level is called tides. So here again the tides is divided into two parts: spring tide and neap tide. What do you mean by spring tide? It means during the full moon. Full moon means Purnima, and the new moon means Amavasya. The earth, the moon and the sun are lined up in a straight line, right? And the gravitational pull that exerted in the same direction by the moon and the sun, so that results the extra high tides. On these days the high tides are especially high and the low tides are especially low, so these tides are known as spring tides. Next is your neap tides. What do you mean by neap tides? It means in the first and the third quarter of the moon, the sun and the moon are at right angles, and another with the respect to the earth. So what happened? So due to the gravitational pull, the high tides are not very high, and the low tides are not very low. So it means such tides are called neap tide. So next one is your currents. What do you mean by ocean currents? Means streams of hot or cold water. This one is warm currents. Warm currents means which move from the equatorial regions towards the pole. And what do you mean by cold currents? Which move from the polar region or higher latitudes toward the equatorial regions are called cold currents. Thank you students. Have a nice day.